Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a similar gradient button, just like this one, without any Elementor add-ons or plugins and without Elementor Pro, only with the free version of Elementor. So what we gotta do is to grab the button widget and drop it in here. I made it bigger so you can see it better. Then we go to the style settings and here we have the box shadow. And this is what we're gonna use to create our gradient. First of all, to see the difference, let's actually give this button some background color. Now as we have some, let's get back to the shadow and change the position from outline to inset. And this is gonna move our shadow from the outside of the button inside the button. Now I'll reduce the blur so you can see it better as we'll be making changes to it. Then I'm gonna reposition the horizontal slider in a way that it takes up maybe a third of the button itself. Depending on what kind of gradient you're going for, you could also utilize the vertical slider, but I'm gonna just use the horizontal one for now. And now we could increase the blur. You can see that as we move the spread slider, basically what it does, it just increases or decreases the area this shadow takes up. So I want the shadow to be somewhere around here. Then I'm gonna increase the blur, and we are starting to see some kind of gradient in here already. Now I'm gonna add some color to it. Now adjust the sliders again. And here it is. Now we have a gradient button, only using Elementor Free and the box shadow property. You could also play around with the color and pick the color that you want. And you could also play around with the horizontal and vertical slides to change the angle of your gradient. And it was pretty much it for this tutorial. If you're interested in more videos and Elementor lessons, check out our YouTube channel. And it so happens that TemplateMonster also has a marketplace where you can buy Elementor templates and Elementor themes made by professionals. Plus, you can also find there a ton of other assets for web developers and designers, so go and check it out. And I thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to leave us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel not to miss the upcoming videos.